Welcome surfers, it is Joele and this is Coding Sound in C++. Coding Sounds is a course about sound engineering in C++ with a library called Juice. This introductory video, is a kind of blueprint for the entire course. All the contents of the entire course are designed for everyone with a basic grasp of programming who want to improve their C++ skills and their understanding of fundamentals of audio programming. The course is 100% project-based, so we are going to build a fully functional polyphonic synthesizer that works as a plugin in any DAW. A DAW is a digital audio workstation, a software used to record sound, to edit, to mix and to produce the final audio file. There are many DAW in the market. There are Ableton, Logic, Fruit Loops and many others. With Coding Sound in C++, we'll learn the DSP theory, the digital sound processing theory, only when we actually need it to solve a specific musical problem. The DSP, digital sound processing, is using math to modify digital signals that our computer needs for emit a sound through the speaker. In this course we'll be using modern C++ and we try to adhere strictly to Juice best practice, so all what you are learning is a professional standard, and this from day one, from lesson 1 of the course. A quick note on the setup. Through the course I'm using a Windows machine, but the library we use, Juice, is cross-platform, so Mac users are good to go with the same library and obviously with the same language, C++. However, you absolutely need a pair of good headphones or studio monitors, because you simply cannot code a synthesizer using the speakers of your laptop or very cheap headphones, because they just can't handle all the frequencies that we need to hear during the course. Before we start, the first rule to memorize, the first golden rule to memorize is that the audio thread is sacred, because the audio thread is the core of all operation of our program. The audio thread, as reported in these 3 short notes, is the execution flow that generates all numbers needed to the host to emit sounds. So it's very important, and for example, if you block this thread by reading a file or by accessing a remote resource on the internet, or you try to allocate memory while the music is playing, you have strange sounds in your speakers. You hear strange things and not a beautiful sound. For this reason, we are going to spend a lot of time learning how to interact safely with the audio thread and how to avoid this kind of block. Remember, the audio thread runs thousands of times in a second, so we need a super fast code to avoid ugly noise instead of a beautiful sound. To get the most out of this course, My suggestion is to type the code yourself. Don't just copy and paste all the code and all the resources. And once you finish a lesson, try to break this code, change variables, make the filter scream and do some strange noise, because breaking the code, breaking the system is the best way to learn how really the code work, how really juice our library work. In the description of this video you can find the link to the lesson on my website and to all other useful resources, if there is some resources related to the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to keep your thinking cap on.